Most trader mistakes come from not knowing what you're doing. The big question now is, what are the biggest mistakes you can make while trading Forex? Hey guys, if you're watching for the first time, my name is Felicia DBC, and in this video I'm going to teach you the 5 biggest mistakes you can make while trading Forex. The first biggest mistake you can make in trading Forex is trading with your last money. Do not trade with your last money, because if you trade with your last money, you will end up putting your capital at risk. You must have some leftover aside the money you want to use for trading. And never put in mind that you want to make a very quick money. You want to double up your money on time so that you will use the other part of the money for your feeding. No, have your feeding money before you start Forex trading. Do not trade with your feeding money. Do not put in a money that you can afford to lose. So don't trade with your last money. The second biggest mistake you make while trading Forex is not having a unique strategy. Have your own unique strategy, follow it and trade it. Have your own unique strategy, follow it and trade it. You must have your own setup that you want to use in trading. When you have your own setup, you follow it up and you keep looking up for it in the market, and once it shows up, you trade it. So it's not necessary that you have to jump from one strategy to another before you trade Forex. No, have your own unique strategy and wait for it. It will surely come, and once it comes, you're going to make massive profit from it. So always be patient enough to wait for your own setup to come up. Never be in a rush to make money. This is one of the fastest methods of losing your capital, and this is very common to the small account holder, because they will always want to double up their account just in a night, and they end up losing all. They end up losing their capital, they end up blowing up their accounts. Unlike the big account holder, they will always want a constant profit, not just a quick big profit, a consistent constant profit. A consistent profit is far better than a very quick profit, because most quick profits, they come with quick loss. So always look up for a consistent profit, a gradual consistent profit. Always respect your own strategy. I always say this, I've said this earlier on, have your own unique strategy. Now I'm saying always respect your own strategy, because you must be patient enough to wait for your own setup to come up. Throughout a day, your own setup may not show up, and you just say, oh, my own setup is not showing up, let me just borrow this setup and let me just put it in my own trading lifestyle and just use it to trade. No, it's not done that way. Wait for your own setup to show up. Once your own setup shows up, you will make a profit from it. Be patient enough to wait for your setup. Always put in mind that you can't always trade daily. You can't always trade every day, because there will be some days that your own setup is not coming up and you just have to relax. That's time for you to relax and just wait patiently and follow up with the market. It's not the time for you just to move away from the market. Once you move away from the market, when your setup shows up, you may miss it. So just since your setup is not coming up, just relax and just wait for it. Relax and follow with the market, because your setup will always come up. So once it comes up, you make massive profit. So always respect your strategy. Respect your strategy and wait for it and then trade it. Last biggest mistake you make trading Forex is trading multiple currency pairs, trading multiple markets. I personally trade markets one after the other. I take it one after the other. But there are a lot of traders once they see a big trader making some entries on so currency pair, maybe euro currency pair, JPY currency pair, they'll just go for it, and they'll just pack all those market, they'll pack everything together and they'll enter the market. No, always take this market, take it one after the other. Take the currency pair one after the other. I personally, I take market one after the other. Once you take market one after the other, you will be able to make your maximum profit, and at the same time it will minimize your loss. Even at all you're going to have any, it will minimize your loss. But imagine taking a lot of currency pair, packing them together up to, like, you will see some making up to 5 entries at a time. Imagine all the 5 entries moving towards the loss side. That's when you would start lamenting. So you have to relax and take the trade one after the other. If you like my video, click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button. See you in my next video.